By default, file handler files are served using the HTTP GET method. And if you wanted to post a form, then that is supported too, as long as XSRF is enabled. And you can also get the head, that is the HTTP headers alone from a file. But file handler actually supports all of the HTTP methods such as delete, patch, put, and so on. And you can enable these or disable these using the methods configuration. So let's do that. We'll take a file handler. This is a file handler that maps slash, that is the root URL, to index.html, and that's what the output looks like. Let's send a few HTTP headers to this. We'll send, let's say, a get method to this URL, and that yeah, that returns a HTTP 200 with the valid response. I could also send it, let's say, a head request, send, and that doesn't have a payload, but it would have a set of HTTP headers that are coming through like this. Now, let's send something that is not there by default. Let's say we send a connect request that says method not allowed. And if we send a post request, that works fine. Normally, this may not work if you have XSRF enabled. I have disabled XSRF cookies, so even post works. Now, let's say we don't want to allow any of those. I only want the get method to work. Now, if we do this, the get method works just fine, but the post is not allowed. Head is not allowed, which was allowed earlier, and the get method is allowed. I could also make this post only. So now get is no longer allowed. I can specify multiple methods, let's say get and post, and let's say patch and delete. But no other methods are allowed. So now let's try delete. Click on delete and send. That sends 200 OK. But if I put in something outside of these, let's say head, then that doesn't allow the method. But supposing we want to send a different response based on what was the HTTP method, how do we do that? Let's enable templating. So that allows us to write code inside the index.html. And we can use handler.request.method to identify what exactly was being sent. So let's in fact simplify that index.html to just say method colon and the request method that's being used. So if I send a head, okay, that would not be allowed. Let's say I send a get. That gives me a method colon get. So in other words, the template is able to detect that this is a get method. If I send a delete, the template knows that it's a delete method. And we can use that conditionally. We can say if handler dot request dot method equals delete, then do whatever processing we need to delete things, delete stuff. And if it is something else, let's say end and elif handler.request.method is equal to post, then do whatever else. And in any other case, let's say for get or any other options, we can say else handle whatever others. So we can say post stuff. Now, if I send a delete request, that will delete stuff. If I send a post request, it will post stuff. And if I send anything else, let's say like a get, then what just happened? Yeah, then it will send everything else. This allows us to have different kinds of responses from a given file to different methods and also control which methods are supported.